All right, everyone, I thought it'd be helpful if I did a quick review here for you on this Solo Stove grill that I bought off of Amazon here, and just show you how it works and how it actually fits on the fire pit itself. So there's two ways you can actually put it on top of the Solo Stove, either flat, just like I have it right now, which fits perfectly, just so you know. So there's barely a gap in between, it barely slides around. So I was really happy with that. That way you can grill right on top of the fire if you wanted to. You also have this center grate that you can take out. So it comes with this little handle here. That way after the fire is lit, which I'm going to light in a second here, but after it's lit, you can use this instead of having to put your hand in the fire, and because obviously it's going to be hot, you can pull it in and out of there. If you want it lifted up a little bit, you can also do that. So that's what these legs here are for. And how that works, you actually just pinch these down and slide each one up, which takes only a half a second here. Okay, now I have all three of the legs out. You can set it right on top of the Solo Stove itself. That way it lifts up a little bit from the fire. You can see it's about 3 or 4 inches off of the fire pit itself, and this can still be on top of it. So I thought that was really cool, depending on if you want it really hot down on the flames or a little bit off of it. And then obviously this thing comes out, which is for a couple different uses. So you can either, if you need to put more firewood in the fire, you can take this off and do that. Or it actually is meant for, it's a 12-inch diameter, so you can put in like skillets or frying pans or stuff like that. If you don't want to set it right on top of the grill, it actually sits nicely inside of this and you get the flames right on it. So I thought that was cool as well. Or if you wanted to cook marshmallows or anything like that instead of having to take the grill off of it. So I'm going to get the fire lit right now and cook some food on it and show you how it works. All right, I got the fire lit. I put a burger on and I let the fire cook down, as you can see. You want a nice little like coal heat instead of the flames just bursting right out of the grill there. And I've had the burger on for a few minutes. I'm just gonna flip it over here and show you how it's been working. As you can see, I got a nice sear on there. It's perfect, actually. It's got a nice little grill sear on it. So this thing's really cool. It's working